summarize for us your SAP practice, but also what else you're doing in different industries and around the world.
So we at Mindsprint, as I said in the beginning, enterprise application services is one of our strongest suits, of which SAP is the largest team. We do a lot of work on SAP. So we for one of our customers, for example, they have undergone over 200 plus mergers and acquisitions over the years. So we have been able to work with them to make sure all the non-SAP ones get onto SAP, make sure all the SAP ones get onto single SAP. So despite those 200 plus mergers, they still have a single SAP across the organization. We have a great template for them that global template that we roll out to the new countries, new businesses that they go into. So that has been a lot of work that we have done around that. We have been providing a lot of work in the retail and the agri space. We have been doing a lot of work in manufacturing space, and a lot of this, for one of our customers, we were able to implement SAP in a way that they're able to have the visibility of their ROI for all the investments that they make, right? So we were able to save almost $20 million annually for them. There's a lot of work happening on RISE as we speak, and we are working with all the 3 hyperscalers, luckily for us, for our different customers. So we are kind of hyperscaler agnostic when it comes to delivering projects for our customers. We are working with AWS, we're working with Azure, we are working with GCP. So, we see a lot of interest in Grow of late. A lot of customers, SAP has obviously been focusing a lot on Grow since January of this year. So we see a lot of focus and interest from some SMEs, what SAP calls that corporate segment now, on Grow. So we're getting a lot of inquiries around that. And we talked about cleaner core earlier. So a lot of work around BTP, because a lot of customers do want to move customizations out of their code, maybe not everything, and where else to go but use BTP to do it for them. So there's a lot of work happening around these. And it's just not we are delivering projects in the developed world. We are doing a lot of work, and that is something unique about us. We do a lot of work in Africa, especially Western Africa. We also do a lot of work in Middle East and South America. So while we are, obviously focused on US, if you are in IT industry, you have to be focused on US, but we also deliver projects across almost all the geographies that one can imagine.
Thank you so much. Any final thoughts?
No, I am so glad we had this conversation, and I look forward to seeing you at Sapphire in Orlando in a couple of months. And thank you very much, and look forward to learning more from your experience and sharing some of my thoughts when we meet again. Thank you so much for your time.